Christmas 2008. I know I sound like Kenny G. Sue me. Bookie. Hi. I like your little Christmas pajamas. What is that? What's that over there in the corner? What's that, Bookie? Look. What is that? Ah, what is it? Is that a kitchen? Kitchen. Yeah. For some reason she's not making it go off. Very cool.